Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal Bhatia and welcome back to my channel, The Mind of a CEO. In this video, we are continuing the IIM series and the CAT exam. And today we are going to talk about what after CAT. Yes, CAT is the first stepping stone for IIMs or any other reputed institute for MBA. But that doesn't guarantee admission either. So what next? After you have been shortlisted, you will be called for an interview with the panelists who are faculty members. But stop, there's one more step before that, and that is Writing Ability Test, WAT. This is an essay writing test wherein you'll be asked to write an essay on a topic given there and then in about 200 to 300 words, and the time is given between 10 to 30 minutes, and that depends from institute to institute. This essay round is used by IIMs and many top B schools as a part of their final selection to evaluate your analytical thinking, clarity of expression, and your structured communication. Timing. Usually it happens between February to August, right after your CAT scores are declared and just before your personal interview. Weightage and selection varies from institute to institute but generally constitutes 10 to 20% of your final score. And along with your personal interview, it is generally given 40 to 50% of the weightage. Now, one of the biggest challenge in essay writing is the time limit given. Some institute give you 10 minutes, for example IIM Ahmedabad, some give you 20 and some give you 30 minutes. I have given a list of few topics on the screen and also a short video on topics and tips for it. You can find the link in description. Now here on the screen you can see the weightage given by the top IIMs to the writing ability test. For IIM Bangalore it's 10%, IIM Ahmedabad is 10%, IIM Calcutta 8%, IIM Lucknow 10%, IIM Kozhikode 20%. Now you will ask me, what about the other IIMs? So for them, there is one common exam, that is common admission process, for which you have to register on their website. There are 8 IIMs together: IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Jammu, IIM Kashipur, IIM Nagpur, IIM Ranchi, IIM Sirmaur, IIM Trichy, and IIM Udaipur. The shortlisted candidates must register and complete the CAP application form to confirm participation in the writing ability test and personal interview round. After being shortlisted based on CAT cutoffs, candidates receive an email notification and must submit the CAP application form via the official portal using their CAT login credentials. In this form, applicants must select the IIMs they wish to consider and the 4 preferred cities for the exam. Is there any fee to register? No, there is no fees to register. There are few IIMs like IIM Rohtak and IIM Amritsar who charge a fee for that. Otherwise, there is no fees to register for this exam. So all the shortlisted candidates for the CAT have to fill in the form at the CAP portal, and they have to select their preferred cities and preferred IIMs they wish to consider for the admission. You will log in using your CAT ID, email ID, date of birth to register, and then you can access the dashboard. So here's what you will need to do. Select the IIMs, choose your preferred city, and upload necessary documents. Now let's come to the personal interview. You have already proven your knowledge by clearing the CAT exam and given the writing ability test. Now here in this, the faculty will try to evaluate your personality and who you are. They will assess your decision making, your critical thinking, your analytical thinking, and how you perform under the pressure. They will ask you about your career goals, your academic performance, and try to evaluate whether you are fit for the MBA or not. In these 15 to 20 minutes, you will be asked about your choices in graduation, your scores in 10th, 12th, and graduation, the summer projects that you have taken. If you have work experience, how can that work experience contribute further? What are the best achievements and where there are lapses? Are you able to explain all of them? The key is to be confident but also be well prepared for your profile. This round with writing ability test carries a weightage about 40 to 50%. So don't take it lightly, because your one wrong answer can put your admission in jeopardy. So in this video, this was all about CAT and IIMs. There is one more exam for MBA, and that is Xavier Aptitude Test, which is equivalent to CAT. This exam is conducted by XAT Jamshedpur, which is a renowned college. You can see on the screen the colleges associated are XAT Jamshedpur, XIMB Bhubaneswar, Mudra Institute of Communications Ahmedabad, IMT Ghaziabad, Great Lakes Institute of Management Chennai, Amity University. Xavier Aptitude Test exam date is January 4, 2026 and the last day to fill the application form is December 5, 2025. The admit card can be downloaded by December 20, 2025. The shortlisting for the interview will be done by end of January. The interviews can be held by mid-February to mid-March, and the new academic session will be happening on mid-June 2026. The candidates can submit their application through an online portal www.xatonline.in. This is all for this video, and in the next video we'll talk about XAT exam, their colleges and the other MBA programs. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the next video.